Welcome back. It is 2:20. So I'm about to get dressed so I can head out to go to Sprouts. Sprouts is one of my favorite stores ever. Head on out to Sprouts and I'll take you guys with me. So hello everyone, today is the my arm right. Today is Monday, September the 21st, and yesterday my aunt sent my mom kind of a cryptic text saying she wasn't feeling well, she was going to check into the hospital, so went to check on her yesterday. Long story short, she is in the hospital and I'm going to go visit her. Obviously, because of COVID, everything has changed, but the hospital does allow 3 visitors, so it's gonna be my mom, my dad, and me. Nobody over 18, so my son can't go. I mean, under 18, so my son can't go. Yeah. So, hi, I'm back. I am actually back from the hospital. My aunt is, so if you want to drop some positive vibes or some prayers or any kind of positivity in the comments below for her, greatly appreciate it. It's not COVID, I just want to make that clear. So, I need to go meal prep. And if I'm going to be totally honest, I'm not really a breakfast meal prep person. Because, you know, tofu scrambles, they're okay. But I can't see myself eating like a tofu scramble every day. But I gotta go back. Catch you in a minute. Why do I always point to see? Because I'm a bit. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Vlogging. This is the base together like Ikea. The bed. She is on the hug. But I legit put together a dresser, another bed. Okay. I think we already established that I'm a nerd. So here I have the hot noodles. Can you guys see that? Let me turn the flash on. Okay, you can see the heat in it. So these are the hot noodles. And I have mine in a clear bowl to show absolutely how obnoxious they are. Some water, cucumber. Those are his regular wings. Dr. Pepper, Pocky's ghost pepper. And these are the vegan wings. These are the Gardein vegan wings. Also have Dr. Pepper. We'll have cups of water. Just to see. Alright, so I have advanced to Dr. Pepper in a cup. I have 1 wing left. And you guys see that? I mean, I snatched that from y'all so fast. Huh? He's got 1 left too. Oh, don't swallow my damn soup because I'm vegan and that ain't gonna be right. Soup? Yeah, I can't even think. I don't have this much noodle left. Which, I mean, from the side now that I'm looking at it, it's kind of disgusting. It's obnoxious. Like the top is like filmed with oil that you know is hot. That's what's burning your lips. Like I'm trying to dip it in, but what happens is you pull the noodles up and gets a coating of that oil, poised for destruction. I have house chores, so gonna end this here, and thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next one.